Replace a toner cartridge for the HP Laser 300 and 30,000 printer series. If the printer toner levels are running low and no longer yield good print quality, replace the toner cartridge with a new one. It is recommended that you only replace your toner cartridge with a genuine HP cartridge. HP cannot guarantee the quality or safety of non-HP parts. Open the toner access door. Pull the old toner cartridge out of the printer. Remove the new cartridge from the packaging. Gently rock the cartridge side to side, about 5 or 6 times, to distribute the toner. Remove the tape and the protective cover from the toner cartridge. Some toner cartridges have a protective seal that also needs to be removed. Hold the toner cartridge by the handle and slowly insert the cartridge into the printer. Close the toner access door. To recycle the used cartridge, go to hp.com/recycle to learn how.